So I've been meaning to wash my air fryer, so today I'm going to try this hack. So I'm going to use dishwasher liquid, bicarbonate soda, use them too, with hot water, guys. Then I'm going to cover it and leave it to marinate. Put generous amount of dishwasher liquid in here. I have actually tried washing this with just hot water and soap and had to keep scrubbing. This time around I want to try the bicarbonate soda and see if it works. Boiling water to it. You can see it bubbling now, so I'm just going to put more water in here because I want it to cover all here as well. 2 hours later, let me see. I'm still greasy up here though, guys, but I'm going to try and scrub it and see what happens. Guys, the stuff is still there. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's coming off, guys. Actually need to like scrub it when the water is still warm, because when it gets really cold, then the grease sticks on. I had to sprinkle washing liquid and the bicarbonate soda, and then I'm just going to try and just scrub it off. The other one came out very clean, so I'll do the same with this one and I'll show you guys the final result. So this is from using dishwasher liquid, bicarbonate soda and hot water to clean my air fryer. But I think next time I'm just going to use the cooking papers liner just to save me the stress. So this is the after. In fact, I actually broke one of the stands from my air fryer. You can see that knob there is come off. You have to lower your expectations of it being super easy. You have to use your strength.